Are you a Mandarin speaker, a Chinese national, or a Filipino who can speak Mandarin, Hokkien, or Cantonese? Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Life as a Bilingual in the Philippines. I am Sarah, one of your friendly recruiters from JK Network Services. Today, we have a very special thing to do and it will be a bit different from the things you usually watch on our channel. I am very excited because for the first time, we are going to meet our 8 successful Mandarin speakers. Yes, you heard it right. We successfully placed 8 Mandarin candidates in just one company. And today, we are going to ask them how their work has been so far, their experiences, insights for the role and industry they are currently in. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Experience nyo na working sa online gaming, ano ba yung masasabi nyo? Totoo ba na illegal siya or delikado ba mag-work sa online gaming?
Actually, sa online gaming is depende siya sa company. Pero here in it's like a corporate talaga siya na legit siya kasi meron ka talagang statutory, talagang binabayaran nila, may 13th month ka, then lahat ng benefits ni company meron ka.
And yung how about the back office naman po? Kasi ang nakikita natin lagi sa online gaming is yung sa mga online live, yung mga naghihigit ng color gaming. How about the work behind the camera po?
Siguro I can answer that one. Work behind the camera, it's still as fulfilling. Hindi naman siya katulad ng iniisip ng mga tao na parang hatak ka na ng hatak. And here we have a professional environment. And yung people talaga, they're very welcoming.
All in all, masaya naman po kayo.
Okay naman. For my first 2 months, okay naman.
Very happy.
Very happy. Okay. And how about your experience in job hunting with JK?
Job hunting naman kay JK, ayun, continuous update talaga, tsaka hindi pinababayaan yung candidate talaga. So, laging kahit na na-deploy ka na nila is meron pa din talagang contact with the candidate para rin to make sure na okay si employee dun sa pinasukan kasi kahit na headhunter kayo, you're responsible enough pa rin dun sa mga candidate na pinasok nyo kasi pangalan ni JK pa rin yung nandoon sa pagja-job hunt. And then, JK kasi actually, sobrang tagal ko na may profile kay JK pero this is the first time na nabigyan ako ng work na kay JK na which is yung gusto kong field which is sa payroll.
How about
Ako same sa kanya. Tagal na din ang profile ko kay JK. So, ang natuwa naman ako is, yung sa napuntahan ko ngayon, ayun din siya. Sok siya sa mga experiences ko. But talagang, I think, tune-check naman nila, make sure nila na align siya sa mga experiences, sa mga skill sets. Ayun siya.
And last question po, ano po yung masasabi nyo dun sa mga candidates na nagdadalawang isip in applying in online gaming po or mobile gaming companies?
Sa akin siguro, kapag kay JK, doon ako makakasigurado na talagang legit siya. Kasi I've been applying to a lot of companies and sa kanila talaga yung mga shady. And naalala ko nung kay JK, sinabi niya din yung company na ito. Nag-hesitate pa rin ako. Pero knowing na I can trust the company, dumiretso ako. And true enough, legal naman siya. And wala siyang shady parts in that sense. So, nakakatuwa.
How about you, Shay?
Ah, online gaming. Nakakatrauma kasi talaga ang online gaming lalo na sa mga field China. They are not into the Pagcor company and everything. Pero you can join naman a Pagcor company given that you will be supported of course by the headhunter. Kasi madalas pag nagso-solo apply ka is hindi mo malalaman kung legit siya or what. At first isasabihin sila na registered sila, papupuntahin ka sa office nila, papakita yung unit nila, tapos bigla may stay in. I suggest na sa mga mag-a-apply pa sa mga online gaming company is to check the background, know the company. You can visit, you can ask someone naman to accompany you para if ever there's something happen, makapag ano ka, kasi may ganun din akong online gaming company na na-experience throughout while waiting ni offer dito sa company and while waiting kay JK. So safe siya mag-apply, it depends lang sa'yo on how you would handle. Ganon.
Ayan, thank you so much for your time po and insights. Yun lang po. So happy. Is waiting for you. Just visit our website or contact us with any of our social media accounts and we are very happy to assist you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you next week. Bye-bye!
Can you speak Japanese, Mandarin, Korean, Spanish, German, French, Thai, or any European and Asian languages? If yes, then contact JK Network now. We are in need of 1,000 plus bilingual speakers and foreigners. Earn up to 200,000 pesos monthly. Call our friendly recruiters. What are you waiting for? Apply now.
JK Network, we are waiting for you. Apply now.